you get charged with sex trafficking in 2022.
I did.
2 years later, Diddy gets charged with sex trafficking.
Ain't that a kick in the head?
So the raids happened at his house, both his homes in Beverly Hills and Miami. But he's not charged yet. When you heard the news, what did you think when the raids happened?
I'm going to be all the way honest with you, bro. You know, at the end of the day, I did not think that they was ever going to come get Diddy. But I also knew that Diddy was doing X-File, UFO shit. But he always got away with it. I never thought that it would ever come to a day to where Diddy get his day. I never thought that. Never in my life. I thought he was untouchable. So when it happened, I said, damn, maybe it was the liquor company. Because I'm going to tell you why, Vlad, bro. Because at the end,
I know that's your theory, and a lot of people think that when he sued Diageo, suddenly all the charges came. I
Vlad
just don't
knows,
think,
huh?
No, not that I know. I just think it's a conspiracy theory.
Why?
Because
Too good to be true?
Here's what I think happened.
Here we go. Let's let it roll.
Here's what I think happened.
Okay.
I think just like everyone else in the public world, the feds clout chase and try to get publicity so forth. These people in these positions, these prosecutors, they make names and careers off of famous cases.
Yes, they do.
Because if you're the person who brought down a Diddy or a Harvey Weinstein or a Lil Durk, you get that conviction under your belt. When you decide to retire, you then become a famous criminal lawyer that people want to give you millions of dollars for because they've seen you work your magic on the other side.
Or a judge.
So forth and so forth. I think when Cassie filed that lawsuit, and that went nuclear to the point where everyone is picking it apart and they're talking about the Kid Cudi car blown up and the beatings and this, that, and the threesomes and blah, blah, blah. That caused so much attention.
It did.
And he settled so fast, which caused even more attention, that the feds, their ears perked up, said, let's take a look at this.
If he wanted to settle this fast.
Like, what's going on here? This sounds like a case. This sounds like a indictment. This sounds like a grand jury.
Yeah.
This sounds like something like there's legs here. And the thing about, the feds all realize this, of course, is that, yes, Cassie settled, and I'm sure she signed an NDA. An NDA is considered a private agreement. When it comes to the law and criminal cases, prosecution,
different ballgame.
Throw that private agreement out the water. Just basically out the game. And they could tell Cassie, we don't care about this NDA. We're going to tell you to get on the stand.
Subpoena-wise.
We're going to subpoena you. Yeah. Now, if you say no because you're worried about this Diddy money, you can get charged as well.
It's going to go to jail.
Yeah, you'll go to jail right along with him. Because you were part of these parties. Yes. You were probably booking some of the male prostitutes. Yes. You were doing the drugs.
Yes.
There's probably people that are saying that you offered them drugs to do during the course of all these years. So this is what I think really happened. I think that's more of a believable story than this liquor company suddenly called up the feds and had Diddy messed up. That's what I think.
But yeah, and still, Vlad, it's just an opinion of yours too.
That's right. We both have opinions.
Oh, no. I don't know what's true or not. We can only go off of how, our opinions.
Got it.
You dig?